Ricotta cheese, not just for lasagna. Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen again, corporate chef of BC Egg. Yeah, today we're gonna make a ricotta scramble. So we've made scrambles before. So a scramble is basically just a mixture of egg and whatever you wanna throw in there, bacon, bell peppers, cheese, whatever. Today we're gonna do one with ricotta cheese. It makes it really nice and rich and it's so simple. Let me show you how it's done. Always remember, every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get. And one large egg, it's only 80 calories. So we're gonna take 2 large eggs and we're just gonna beat them up. So it's got a little bowl here. And we're just gonna take a 10-inch nonstick pan over medium heat and let that heat up a little bit. And we're gonna add a little bit of oil to that. That's just gonna help the egg release from the pan really nicely. I just take a little pastry brush and make sure I get it around the sides, all along the bottom. And once your pan is hot, take those beautiful beaten BC eggs and put them in the pan. And I just make sure you have a nice even layer in there. And then a little salt, a little pepper. And when the eggs are about half cooked like that, you add your ricotta cheese. I'm adding about 1/3 cup. And then you just scramble it all in. And like I say, that ricotta cheese just adds a great amount of richness to this. And it's so simple and easy. And then you just cook it, flipping it around, and you cook it to the desired doneness that you want. That's how easy it is. This is how we're gonna finish this. So I like sourdough. My sourdough was actually kind of small, so I put 2 pieces there. And we're just gonna take this and gently just coax it off the pan onto that sourdough, like so. This is how I like to finish this off. So a little grated Parmigiano-Reggiano, some dried red pepper flakes. That's optional. And you can customize this any way you like. Some freshly sliced basil. I'm just gonna put another little sprinkle of salt on top and some fresh cracked pepper. Now comes my favorite part. And you see how easy and fast that was? Here we go. Wow, that's so good. I hope you enjoyed this egg tip. Make sure you're checking out the website at bcegg.com for a whole bunch of other great tips, tricks, and recipes. And this is Chef Des signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?